Hey there, this is Dr. Jacobs today. I'm diving into the top 7 foods you need to avoid to stay healthy. Let's get right into it. Number 7, sugary drinks. Did you know that sugary drinks are one of the leading causes of obesity and type 2 diabetes? Studies show that consuming too much sugar can lead to severe health issues like heart disease. So stick to water, tea, or black coffee instead. Number 6, processed meats. Bacon, sausages, and hot dogs might taste great, but they're loaded with harmful preservatives. Research links processed meats to an increased risk of cancer and heart disease. Try switching to lean meats like chicken or fish. Number 5, trans fats. Found in fried foods and baked goods, trans fats can raise your bad cholesterol and lower your good cholesterol. This combo increases your risk of heart disease. Always check the labels and avoid anything with partially hydrogenated oils. Number 4, refined carbohydrates. White bread, pastries, and other refined carbs spike your blood sugar levels. This can lead to weight gain and increase your risk of diabetes. Opt for whole grains instead. Number 3, excessive alcohol. Try to avoid alcohol, as studies show that it can cause cancer and damage your liver and heart. Studies suggest that there is no safe amount of alcohol. Number 2, highly processed snacks. Those chips and packaged snacks are full of unhealthy fats, sugars, and additives. They offer little nutritional value and can lead to weight gain. Choose natural snacks like fruits and nuts. And finally, number 1, artificial sweeteners. Though they are marketed as a healthier option, artificial sweeteners can mess with your metabolism and gut health. Research indicates they might even lead to weight gain. Stick to natural sweeteners like honey or maple syrup. So there you have it, the top 7 foods to avoid to stay healthy. If you want to dive deeper into healthy eating, check out my book, Eat to Heal. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching. Stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.